Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, EMTECH. In today's video, we are going to talk about Color Project 7, a powerful and easy-to-use photo editing application designed for both beginners and professional photographers. If you are looking for a simple way to improve your photos, add creative effects, enhance colors, and achieve professional results, then this software is definitely worth checking out. Let's begin. In the world of digital photography, creating the perfect image often requires a lot of time and experience. Many editing programs can be complicated and difficult to learn. However, Color Project 7 combines professional tools with a simple and modern interface, allowing users to create amazing results quickly and easily. The software includes more than 130 professional presets and 181 expert filters, giving you a huge variety of creative options. With just a few clicks, you can transform ordinary photos into impressive images with beautiful colors, unique styles, and artistic effects. One of the most useful features is the SmartMask filter. This intelligent tool automatically detects the areas where effects should be applied, saving you from creating complicated masks manually. It makes the editing process faster while keeping professional accuracy. For portrait photography, Color Project 7 offers the soft skin filter, which improves skin appearance naturally while preserving important facial details. This helps create cleaner and more attractive portraits without making them look artificial. Another impressive feature is the collection of 47 real film emulations. These effects recreate the classic appearance of traditional photography films, allowing you to give your digital images a vintage or cinematic style. The software also includes creative lighting effects, alien lights, light frames, and many different photo styles. These tools help you create unique images with a professional and artistic appearance. For users who want more control, the Selective color drawing tool allows you to adjust specific colors in selected areas of an image without affecting the rest of the photo. This is perfect for creating special effects and highlighting important details. Color Project 7 also provides automatic color correction and color normalization. When you load an image, the software can analyze and improve color balance automatically, helping your photos look more natural and vibrant. Another important feature is batch processing, which allows you to edit multiple photos at the same time. This is extremely useful for photographers who work with large collections of images and want to save valuable time. The program supports 4K displays for a clear and detailed editing experience. It also includes a RAW module, providing advanced editing possibilities for photographers who use professional cameras. Additional tools include horizon correction, red eye removal, sensor dust and scratch correction, texture effects, intelligent color adjustment, and automatic edge detection for more precise selections. Color Project 7 can also be integrated with popular Adobe applications, including Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom Classic, making it a useful addition to a professional editing workflow. Overall, Color Project 7 is a powerful and flexible photo editing solution that combines simplicity with professional features. Beginners can create beautiful images quickly, while experienced photographers can enjoy advanced tools for complete creative control. Whether you are editing portraits, landscapes, travel photos, or artistic projects, Color Project 7 provides the tools you need to achieve impressive results. You can get this application free from the official website, but please remember that this free offer is available for a limited time only. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to press like, subscribe to the EMTECH YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Your support is our motivation and inspiration to continue creating more useful technology content for you. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.